Hello and welcome back to Ian's Gadget. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a Google account. Begin by visiting the Google account creation page. Now, while there, you'll be prompted to enter your personal or business information on the account creation page. This includes your first name, last name, business name, desired email address, which will also serve as your Google username and password. The next step is to choose a secure password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Now, if you don't know how to go about this, you can check out my video on how to create a strong password. Google requires you to verify your phone number. To do so, enter your phone number and Google will send you a verification code to ensure that the number is valid. Enter the code when prompted to verify your phone number. Google provides options to add recovery information to your account, such as a recovery email address and a phone number. This is important as it will help you regain access to your account if you forget your password or get locked out. So make sure to add a recovery option to your account. Now you need to complete the registration by reviewing Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Then click on the next or create account button to proceed. Once your account is created, you will have the option to set up additional services such as Google Drive, Google Photos, and more. You can choose to skip this step if you prefer to set them up later. Now Google may send you an email to verify your account. In that case, open your email inbox, find the verification email from Google, and click on the provided link to verify your email address accordingly. That's it. You have successfully created a Google account. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing. Also, smash that like button and share this video with your friends. I'll truly appreciate it. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.